Welcome to another REO opportunity. Today, we're checking out a great home in Island Park, New York. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and so much more. Can't wait to take you inside. Welcome to 42 Hastings Road in Island Park. Hey, so you've only checked out the enclosed porch, the living room, and dining room. There is so much more to this home. Please enjoy the tour and make yourself at home. Hey guys, I know you've seen this before, but it's not that old school lamp that's in your apartment. This actually pulls down to a bonus area. Welcome to the attic. All your holiday stuff, anything you can imagine, you've got storage. Hey, if you've got a car, you need a driveway. And what better than a driveway is to have your own garage. This house features a 1.5 car garage. Hey, so thanks for checking out this REO opportunity. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing opportunities. And for your own personal tour, give us a call. I'll see you back in the neighborhood.